Hi friends, we are in a Burlington drive test center today. We are going to go to G test route in Burlington. If you have any question about the driving test and about the test route in Burlington, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965 or you can ask me in the comment section also. Thank you. Okay, let's go to Burlington G test route, and you have to park at a number of parking lots here and look around before starting. Then exam will tell you take a right or left. Both the ways are going out. We'll take a right here and we'll take a right here in the parking, and there is no stop sign here, but we can still check around here. No one is coming. See this small stop sign here. This is always stop sign. It's not written here, but it's always stop sign. The right indicator, look around, we'll go right here. From the first traffic light, take left. This plaza is very busy, so be careful when you drive from this plaza. We'll take a left, go to left lane here, mirror signal blind spot check, and go to the left lane. Light is red, and look around. Like, so many people are walking around here, so many cars are around here. When you're waiting here, just make sure that you keep on checking front to back. So many cars are coming into the plaza, going out from the plaza. This opposite side plaza too. So you have to make sure that you look around everywhere. Be careful about the pedestrians if they're coming in their way. And keep on checking when you're standing here. Don't keep on looking at the light. Look everywhere around here. See when the light turn to green, who can come into your way, because the other side is one plaza too. Yeah, go mirrors, look around, put style, go left here and go to the first lane here, leftmost lane, then speed up and change it to right, mirror signal blind spot and change it to right lane. Will go straight. Sometimes examiner they tell you to go right from here and take to the highway straight, but mostly they will go straight only from here. So we'll go straight here, and this is a north service road. And just when standing here, look around everywhere. Anyone coming in your way? When you're standing here, don't just look at the light. Look everywhere. This is a very busy intersection. Look everywhere around. Yeah, so yeah, it's not green for us yet. Yeah, before starting, again look both side. Yeah, and then go straight here. It's a north service road and speed limit is 60 on this road. Keep in the rightmost lane. And after coming and this side here, examiner may tell you when it's safe to do so, change it to left, come back to the right lane. In G tests, assume that like they're going to ask you a lot of time, just changing lanes and like look around everywhere. You have to look all the hazards, like the truck is coming out from the plaza. We have to keep an eye on that also. Check all the hazards. So written here, this lane is ending. Mirror signal blind spot. Change it to left. See that the lane is ending there. For these lane changing, they won't tell you. You have to do by yourself. When you say that this lane is ending, check mirror signal blind spot and then change it to left. And speed limit is 60 here. Don't exceed speed limit. When you're driving straight, after every 5 seconds you have to check the back mirror. You have to see who is coming in your way. Yeah. And it's a very long road. Keep on driving at 60. Don't exceed speed limit. Keep on checking back mirror also regularly. First traffic light, we will take a right, just going towards the Gulf line. Take a right from the first traffic light, check mirror signal blind spot, nothing can come here, light is green, we can take a right here and we'll go right here. Yep. And then they will tell you to take right from the next traffic light. That's very unique right turn. See, you have to come mirror signal blind spot check and come to the right lane. When you go to the rightmost lane, look what is written here. You cannot go straight, and there's no right turn on red light also. Right? So you have to wait for this light to turn to green to go to right. This is not usually at at all the lights, but here you can see that no right turn on red light, and you cannot go straight also. To go right, we have to wait for the green light. Even if everything is clear, still we can't go there. So we'll take right here. Turn right here. Yeah, and go QEW Toronto after that. Take a right, QEW Toronto, and go and it's a 20 years certain here. It's just approximate speed limit. Don't exceed this speed. You can go around like 20, 30 like that, but not too fast also. Approximate speed limit. So very smoothly go in the curve. Yeah, and then speed up and merge into the highway. Highway speed limit is 100 here. Check mirror, signal blind spot, look for the safe spot, go to 100 and then merge into the highway. And after that, examiner again tell you when it's safe to do so, change it to left, come back to the right lane. Safe to do so, mirror, signal blind spot, go to the left lane. Then again, when it's safe to do so, change back to the right. MSB. Right? And then they tell you to take exit from the Marcus line. We'll take exit on the Marcus line. Yeah, put the right indicator on. Keep on checking back regularly, like after every 5 seconds. And take a right here on the Marcus line. And then they will tell you to will take a left from the next traffic light. So when you're taking a left here, when you come close to the traffic light, give left indicator, mirror, signal blind spot like this, and go to the left lane. The two lanes are turning to the left. We can keep to the outer lane, so that will be easy for us to come back to the highway here. So keep your indicator on, wait for this light to turn to green. Left here, we'll go in the outer lane, we'll go straight to the middle lane here, and then mirror, signal blind spot, change lane to right again. QEW, go to Hamilton, mirror, signal blind spot again, and go to the highway again. The speed limit is 30 here, go approximately 30 here, and say yellow and white lane, keep in the middle of this curve. Don't go too fast here, don't go too slow also here, just maintain your speed limit. Amend your car straight, then speed up, go to 100, mirror, signal blind spot, and go to 100 first, and then merge into the highway. Yeah. See, sometimes we have to check 2-3 times this blind spot, that's okay. We'll be like 10 times check it, just make sure you check it, right? Check every 5 seconds. After the examiner may tell you to, when it's safe to do so, change it to left, change it to right. As in G test, be ready to go for a lot of changing lanes in between. So check back regularly. Then they will tell you to take exit on a Gulf line. So you have to give a right indicator, take exit on a Gulf line. Signal blind spot, we'll take exit on Golf line. Yep. And after taking exit here, you have to look for the lane which is going straight, because they are not going to take you left or right from this Golf line. They are going to take you straight from this Golf line. So there will be 4 lanes, and you have to see like which lane is going straight. Yep, we are in the correct lane. See that? 2 lanes turning left, one is turning right, one is going straight. We'll keep in this lane, which is going straight. Yeah. Right. And when you're standing here, make sure you check everywhere, look around, not keep on looking at the light. I just wanted to say about this traffic light. On this traffic light is very short from the both side. Like if we are coming from that other side also, it's very short. And when you're going from this light, when it is very short, if your car is like first or second, that's okay. Like they can pass easily. Sometime when if your car is the third one on this light, be careful. This light is very short. I don't know why it's very short, but after like 2-3 cars, it turned to like a yellow soon. So keep an eye on that. Don't enter at the like a red light. That's why I want to say particularly about this light. It's too short. And again, checking, keep on checking everywhere. Yeah. Look like at the side got a green light already. So we are waiting for our turn. Yeah. Light is green. Look both side and go straight. Then example will tell you to take left from the next traffic light. So go to the left lane here. So 2 lanes, only left or right. We'll take a left on the north service road and take a left here. And mirrors. Yeah, we'll take a left here and go straight here. Again, speed limit is 60. It's a very long road. Keep on checking back mirror regularly, like after every 5 seconds. We should know what is going on behind us. Look front, look back every 5 seconds. Look for any hazards coming on the road. Right now there's no hazards on the road, so everything is clear. Front is clear, back is very clear, no one is behind us. After that, this 1 lane will become a 2 lanes. When this 1 lane become a 2 lanes, you have to come to the right lane automatically. For that examiner won't tell you. So because when it's a 2 lanes, we have to maintain the rightmost lane all the time. Yeah, going straight here. It's again North Service Road. Yeah, look both sides when you're passing through the intersection. Even if the light is green, still look around. See here, like 2 lanes now. We keep in the rightmost lane. By default, we keep in a rightmost lane. Look all the hazards on the road. Don't just keep on looking straight. Look everywhere around. Look front, back. Look all the hazards everywhere. On the side, speed limit is 60. Here, a couple of times they may tell you when it's safe to do so, change it to left. When it's safe to do so, change it to right. So when it's safe to do so, then only change it. If it's not safe, don't change it. And when you stop behind any car, we should be able to see the wheels of that car on ground. That's the right distance to stop behind the car. And when you're standing here, look around, look for any pedestrian, any hazard which can come into your way. Look back mirror, see any one pedestrian is walking from that side. We have to just keep an eye on that pedestrian so they don't come in our way. So look around everywhere. Yeah, light is green, look around both sides and then go. And next traffic light we will take a right indicator. So light is red and light turn to green now. We don't have to stop. turn the right here. Then we'll take a left here. Mirrors, signal, blind spot. Look, anyone coming? No one coming. Then the examiner will tell you to park anywhere safely. Just park. You park here. And then examiner will tell you, congratulations, you passed your test, you did a great job, go and get your license from inside. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks for watching my video, and if you have any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965, or you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video.